Good day, Professor. My name is Shay. Thank you for joining today's presentation for my research title. My research title is What Key Factor Must Be Part of a Performance Management System to Positively Impact Employee Motivation, Engagement, and Overall Organizational Performance. Let's dive into it. Let's talk about the introduction. Today, I'm going to discuss something very crucial to business as a performance management. It also about ensuring that everyone understands what they need to accomplish and how they were doing it. It has employees to improve their skills and ensure that everyone is working toward the same goals as the organization. When we set clear goals and maintain track of our progress, we can improve. It is like having a strategy for success. When everyone understands what is expected of them, it fosters a good atmosphere in which to develop and learn. One particularly wonderful feature of performance management system is that it can connect with each other, so individuals accomplish with what they what the whole organization want to achieve. So one individual accomplish well is contribute to the organizational success. But here is the best part. When employees feel motivated and active, they will do better than ever than moreover, gaining the team separate and creative for the work. That is why implementing in the effective performance management system is essential. It contributes to the development of the team of employees who are happy to work and the satisfactory. They are give their satisfactory of art everything. Let's explore in a find out how it all works. I'm going to talk about the thesis statement. Throughout the presentation, I will be talking about several major research from the investigation research. I will identify the essential key factors such as the employment, motivation, engagement, and the overall organizational performance. Additionally, I will provide specific suggestions to help organizations effectively introduce this research into the performance management system. By the conclusion of the presentation, I will thoroughly comprehensive understand of the importance of the key element in the performance management strategy is required to development of the high performance in the organizational culture. Okay, moving into the literature review. Let's look more closely at the most important part of the performance management system. Some of these are a setting of the goal, the regular feedback system, and the strategy for the getting improvement employee for the involvement of the employment participation. So that performance management system is how the importance this system are for making and helping employer to grow. Performance management system is just not keep growing to the employee or the importance of the organization is the running business and making sure the all worker of the need to do well. Business improve they are using as a performance management. They will their workers are learn new skill by focusing on these areas. Performance management is more than just a way to evaluate worker. It's also a way to boost output and make them company success. We should learn what about of this part of the C, how they make to workplace a cost space to be and help employee growth. Okay, now let's explore some key factors that significantly impact of the employee motivation. So I mentioned that before, a species goal setting. It is very crucial in the organization because it provides the employee with the clear goals and the sense of purpose. So it means they were concerned for the employee to which way have to improve of their career. So they will be very improvement of their career life. And one of the scholarly article, Local London 2023, suggests that employees are more motivated to perform well because what they understand of their expectation and how do they contribute to their corporate objectives. Additionally, regular feedback and the recognition is played a vital role in motivating of the employee and the maintaining excellence. So the study articles from by Dines 2021 have shown that employees who receive the effective feedback and acknowledgement, their achievement, feel value and are motivated to continue striving for excellence. Okay, let's talk about my experience. Based on my personal experience, I feel better and the motivated is feedback and the recognition. Uh, for example, when I was working in Singapore, my company doing an annual review, such as like that the appraiser. It means they were acknowledgement and the feedback on the employee, what their achievement and their what they have to improve of their career life. So at that time, I feel like that was very motivated and I know my weakness what and the stress what I have to improve more in my professional career life. So and I feel that this feedback and recognition as performance management systems are very crucial in the organization. And the one furthermore involving and the participation in the employment it means that the employee to decision making process to involve. So it's involved of the foster a sense of ownership and commitment. So they would feel that they will participate in the company goals and the new procedure. So they were big trust of their companies and commitment. One of the article concerning 2018 mentioned that when employees feel empowered to contribute their thoughts and opinions, they became engaged in the work and are motivated to achieve collective goals. Okay, moving to the employee engagement. Let's discuss the importance of the training and development, fairness and transparency, and the work-life balance. Firstly, training and development opportunities. Offering the educational programs and training as also the performance management strategy. Most of the organization, the big giants company are using of this performance strategy method. For example, the training program provide before the start of the work is where efficient for understanding of their knowledge of the company culture and the company procedure. So this training program is the efficient and the need for the all the employee group. And I also believe that it was the investment in the organization net group. And that is also as well as the win-win strategy. If we have the training in the quality control and the project management, based on my experience, when I working as a career, my company provided and the education for such as the choosing of the software. So this were very effective for my career life. So I can using of this software to measuring of the measure of the software. So that was my experience. So this this performance strategy are also affected as well. And the secondly is the fairness and transparency. Fairness and transparency is mean that equity and transparency in the organization is for the building trust and honesty of the organization. For example, rules and regulations must be equity for all the employees. Each of the employee got a fair and fair equity to promotion and the rewards achievement system. So they will get the improve of their trust and loyalty to their companies. One of the article panels mentioned that the rules were mentioned that employee would receive distribution as a fair rewards promotion opportunity are more likely to exhibit engagement and dedication toward their employer. Additionally, the work-life balance. Okay, the work-life balance is the promoter to support employee well-being and enhance engagement and retention. One of the scholarly article, COSIV 2015, highlighted that important organizational focus on employee well-being and flexibility in work arrangement to create a positive work environment that encourage high levels of engagement and retention. Yeah, that varies are important for the people such as the working moms and the taking care of the older people. If the people what as the work from home, such as the work from home job, they will be taking care of their things as well as the working. So they will get the work-life balance. Work-life balance is the promote of the people to be a well-being and healthy lifestyle. Finally, let's examine the key factors that impact the overall organizational performance. One thing is aligning the personal goals is the linking with the company's organization goals. That was I mentioned that before. This was very important in the organization because of their goals are related and that they will love of their job. They want to promote of their career. So it's were efficient in the organization achievement. We have plenty of examples to talk about the individual improvement and the organization improvement. From the one of the article, Canada 2023 suggests that the personal goals with the business objective motivated employee to work towards common goal, leading to the improved organizational overall performance. Creating a high performance that values and rewards system. Yes, that was really encourage employee to strive for continuous improvement. Doing the reward system achievement of the acknowledgement of their employee, the organization foster the motivated employee to exert and the overall success. And then lastly, establishing of the effective communication channel. It facilitated collaboration, increased the employee involvement and the decision making. That means they were doing be a good teams mama as a collaboration and the communication. That open communications promotes cooperation and improve organizational performance. Okay, let's discuss the research finding and employee motivation, engagement, organizational performance. This research has the revealed key factors that significantly impact that area, shedding light on what drives success with organization. Identify practical insight into optimizing performance management system aiming to cultivate high performance culture. Furthermore, this research provides actionable recommendation for implementing effective performance management practice. And then I will explore the real-world example from leading the organization, and then the scholar articles, case studies are inside of the research or further valuable inside the actionable recommendation. So that will improve the motivation, engagement, and the performance. Let's dive into this finding and see how they can benefit your organization. In conclusion, I'm going to talk about the in conclusion. Effective performance management system is essential for achieving organizational success. By prioritizing the strategy using of their research, organization can drive employee performance and enhance organizational effectiveness in achieving their goals, and encourage organization to prioritize performance management as a strategy, a powerful tool for driving continuous improvement and success. Here is my reference sources from the scholarly article and a case study for literature review. Thank you. Thank you so much, Professor. I truly appreciate your guidance and effort, and your patience are heavy valuable to me. And I learned a lot of the HR lesson has been quite beneficial and to be a growing of my professional career. Thank you.